Welcome back everyone to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-app language on the Expert Option Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Expert Option Trading application on your device. And after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page. From here, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and now tap on Settings at the bottom left. Now within the settings page, you will see the language at the very beginning. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will now show you the list of all of the languages that are available for the app. Just tap on whichever language you prefer and you will be asked whether you would like to change it. Tap on confirm and this will apply your language to the application right away. Now you can use your application with your preferred language right away. If you wish to change it once again, go back to the menu, press the gear icon at the bottom left and now choose your language from the first option. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-app language on the Expert Option Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.